So here we are again. This video is going to be another Promarker video, but I'm moving away from my original character that I've created called Kotu, and I figured I'd dive into doing something a little bit different to the normal thing I do, and that's to do cartoon versions, my cartoon versions of characters from some films. And if this one goes well, then I might continue to do a few of these if you guys are interested. So if you like to just create and watch people do art like myself, then hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, spread the word. But I think the best thing I can do is say have a watch, and I will see you guys just after. this particular drawing was done using the Windsor Newton paper, which was specially designed for use with Promarkers, so you don't have the wet leak through the back of the page, or you don't get that transference between the pages. It's quite good paper. I wasn't sure whether it'd work or not, but I must admit it's actually really, really good, and this Harry Potter picture was done on it. So, oh no, it's fallen out. Oh no. Let's try and do it like that. And there he is. There's Hazard. Look at him. I'm quite happy with that. I like to do something that's not your standard. I don't want to fall into the same traps and tropes as other people. I don't want to do a like for like, and I don't want to do a Pop Funko style. I want to do it in my style. So this was my first attempt at doing a cartoon version of a famous movie character. So I think with this one and how well it's come out, I think the next video I will attempt to do Ron. We'll see how that goes, shall we? But until the next time, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you are interested in some of my other videos, I'll put one up here and one down there, I think. Or maybe one up here and one down there. I can't remember which way around it goes. Until the next time though, stay safe, stay clean, stay happy. And I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.